What's going on, guys? Right here we have the Holy Stone HS510. As you can see, there it is right there. And today we're going to be giving this guy a flight test out here. I've already done a flight test for this guy. I've done a couple videos, which I'll link in the description below. But we're just flying this today because it's my favorite drone, and I love flying it so much. So we're going to do that. Anyways, let's go. Alright guys, so if you don't know how this drone is calibrated, go ahead and check out my other videos. I explain it in 2 of my videos on how to calibrate this guy, so go ahead and check those out, and that will be very helpful. Alright guys, so it is calibrated right now, so we're just going to wait for this guy to get satellites. Once it gets enough satellites, that light right there will be green. Alright guys, so we have 9 satellites now, so we're ready to take this off. So we're going to hit the unlock button, and let's give it some throttle. There it is, right there. Alright guys, so we are battling 11-mile-an-hour winds here, and as you can see, if you look at it, it's shaky. Alright, it's really shaky in the air, but you have to consider that this is a $170-ish drone, around the 170 mark. So it handles the wind pretty good. As you can see, here's the GPS. It holds its position. Watch. See, it's holding its position even when I push it. For the app that I recommend using, I did an entire video on that, which I'll link in the description. I'm using the MRC Pro app. So that is the drone in the air. So pretty good, pretty stable. Like I said, 4K camera at 16 frames per second, or 2.5K video at 25-ish frames per second. So that is really the big, information that you need to know when it comes to the camera quality. And I mean, it doesn't have a gimbal or anything, so the footage, like the videos are shaky, but the photos are still very good with this drone, which is why I like it. For only $170, you have a pretty good drone that can give you some decent photos. I took some photos with this, and you'll see them in a moment, but there it is flying. Flies pretty well.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So one of the unfortunate things about this drone, which I've said if you've watched my reviews, the battery life. Even though they include 2 batteries, well, the problem is with me, one of my batteries is cooked and it doesn't work. So I only have technically I only have 1 battery. The flight time, it's only 16 minutes. I wish it was around 20 minutes. 20 minutes would be pretty good for me, but 16 minutes, I don't know. I mean, by the time you get it up in the air and then you get the low power mode, return to home activation, it doesn't turn out to be that long. It's only really, you only get about 10 minutes actually in the air. So I mean, flight time is I guess it would be this guy's biggest downfall, but they do include an extra battery, which I said I burnt out. So I'll definitely be ordering extra batteries for this, because this is one of my favorite drones and I fly this guy a lot. Also, one more thing I mentioned, I really like the controller for all the controls in the build. It's pretty nicely made. Right here, I like the controls, I like the functions on it, but I'll tell you what, this thing for the phone, this phone stand, I'm slurring my words.
True international effort to pressure.
This phone stand sucks. All right, I'm just telling you, it sucks. It's horrible. Alright guys, so that is the I guess the video for the Holy Stone HS510. That is the second, I guess, flight test we'll call it for this, and it's my favorite drone really because I guess it's just personal with me because I just enjoy flying it. It's got good photos. I'm gonna be honest, it takes really good photos. Like, these photos are actually pretty usable in most cases for most people. So that's why I really like this drone. Like I said, one of my batteries is cooked, so I really only get one flight, which is like 10 minutes. So, I mean, it's not too good. I mean, the batteries are expensive for this. Like, I think it's like $30 on Amazon for an extra battery, which is pretty ridiculous just for one of these little batteries here. I thought it'd be cheaper than that. So that sucks that I'm gonna have to spend that much money on another one. But I'm curious about something with this drone. If you use the recommended app that I recommend, the MRC Pro app, there is an option to fly the drone with just the phone. I'll show you that in this clip. Anyways, with me only having one battery that actually works, I wasn't able to, do a whole ton with this. But I'm going to make another video on this because, I guess you guys like these videos on this drone because all of my videos on this have a lot of views. So I'm going to make another video, and in that video we're going to see if you can fly this with just your phone. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed that video, I really want you to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to my channel. I don't have too many subscribers right now, and we're doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, so I really want to hit 500 subs. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video. Also, if you're interested in RC planes, like here, this is an RC plane right here, fun to fly. Go ahead, check out some of those videos that I have on my channel. I fly drones and I fly planes, so this channel is awesome. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.